Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn your post notification bell on so you never miss any of my videos. So this is my CVS haul for this week. Now, this is not everything I'm going to pick up. I have to go back to the store and get a few more items. So everything you see here was completely free, and I made $8.81 by purchasing it. Yes, you heard me. Everything was completely free. So I'm not going to talk a lot. We'll jump right into the store, okay? Okay, guys, so the first deal I am doing is the paparazzi. It's buy two, get $5 back, and you can do this deal 2 times. So I'm picking up 4. That's going to be $10. I have a 3 off of 7 CRT. I'm going to pay $7, getting $10 back, making 4 of them completely free and a $3 moneymaker. Okay, guys, so my store is not tagged, but the Nivea men's body wash, it's 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get a $4 extra care back. I am picking up 4. It's going to be $16. I'm going to use 2 of these expired coupons. That's going to take $6 off. I'm going to pay $10 and I'll get $8 back, making 4 of them $2 or 50 cents each. Okay, so the paparazzi, it's $2.99. I don't believe there's anything back, but I'm going to include this with my Nivea and use a 4 off of 25 body wash and hand wash CRT. I also have a $2 off of 3 for the paparazzi hand wash and $1 off of 1. So I'm going to pay $12 and I'll get $8 back for the Nivea, making 3 of the paparazzi and the 4 Nivea just $4. Okay, guys, so this is my hair care deal. I have 2 of the OGX. It's buy 1, get 1 50% off. Buy 2, get a $5 extra care back. 5 or 4? I think it's 4. So I have 2. One is going to be $8.59. The other is going to be $4.29. I also have 4 of the products that's 2 for $12. The Herbal Essence and the Head and Shoulders. It's spend $15, get $5 back. So for everything, it's going to be $36.88. Now I have a few coupons that I clipped from the P&G, and there's also digitals as well. So I have a $4 off of 18 hair care CRT. I'm also going to use a $2 coupon I printed from coupons.com, and that's going to be for the OGX. There's also an OGX digital as well that's going to glitch and come off. I have a 4 off of 2 for the Herbal Essence, and there is also a digital that's going to glitch and come off. I also have a 3 off of 2 for the Head and Shoulders, and there's also a digital that's going to glitch and come off. So I'm going to pay $12.88 and I'll get $9 back. I'll get 5 for spending $15 and 4 for the OGX, leaving everything just $3.88. Okay, guys, so this is my oral care deal. I have 2 of the Colgate, and it's $5.19, spend $10, get $5 back. 1 of the Crest mouthwash at $3.99, buy 1, get $2 back. I have 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $3.99, buy 3, get $5 back. And I have 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $4.99, buy 2, get $4 back. So for everything here is a total of $36.32. I have a 6 off of 4 Crest Oral-B CRT. There's a 5 off of 3 digital, a 2 off of 1 for the toothbrush that's going to glitch and come off. There's a 1 off of 1 for the mouthwash. There's a 4 off of 2 for the Colgate mouthwash. And I have a 2 off of 12 mouthwash CRT. So I'm going to pay $12.32 and I'll get $16 back, making it all free and a $3.68 moneymaker. Okay, guys, so the next thing I'm picking up is 2 of the CVS brand, 1 of the incidental brushes at $5.49 and 1 of the advanced floss picks at $3.99. Half price is going to be $1.99. For both products, it's going to be $7.48. I have a 2 off of 6 CRT, 2 off of 1 for the CVS brand, and $3 off for the incidental brushes. That's going to leave me to pay 48 cents for both products. Okay guys, so the hauls is 2 for $4. Buy 2, get a $1 extra care bag. I am picking up 2, and I'm going to use this $1.25 off of 2. That's going to take $1 off. I'll pay $2.75. I'll get $1 back from CVS, and I'm going to get $2 back on checkout 51, making them free and a 25-cent moneymaker. Okay, so I'm picking up one of the Opti-Free twin pack, and it's $20.49. I have a $6 manufacturer's coupon. I was holding the tags up there so you can see what I'm talking about. And I have 2 of these 6 off of 1. That's going to take $18 off, leaving it to be $2.49. Okay, so I'm picking up one of the all products, and it's $2.99. I have a $2 CRT, which is going to make that just 99 cents. So you can pick up the liquid detergent, or you can pick up the pods. Okay, so this is my spend 30 get 10 deal. I have 2 of the Lysol products. The Lysol spray is $7.99. The wipes is $7.79, and that's going to be 50% off at $3.89. I have 2 of the Tide Pods at $4.99. 1 of the Downy Unstoppable, and that's $4.99 as well. And 2 of the chocolates, and that's buy 1 get 1 50% off as well. For both, it's going to be $5.68. I have a 4 off of 12 Lysol CRT and 2 50-cent coupons. There's a 3 off of 2 digital for the Tide, and it's going to glitch with this $3 off of 2 Tide paper coupon. For this one, I'm going to try, I think this one works, but I'll let you know if it works at the end. If not, I'll use the $2 coupon. And $1 off of 2 for the chocolates. So after everything comes off, I'm gonna pay $13.53, and I'll get $10 back, making everything here just $3.53. Okay guys, so this is my super long receipt. This is only one receipt. Everything came off as expected. My 3 Opti-Free, all that stuff came off. Opti-Free. Everything came off. My total came to 0. This is my other receipt. It's not as long as the other one. Everything came off as well. Oh, I didn't mention the chips. So I picked up 6 at 50 cents. So that's $3. That's these right here. These 2, and my kids ate 2 already. So these are attaching to the 3 off of 5 coupon. Everything came off, and my total came to $3.51 because I didn't have a smaller extra bag to use. And last receipt, everything is here. This one came to $2.20. On this one, I did, okay, there's that $2 coupon. I didn't screenshot that. But this one, I picked up 1 of the Crest, 3 of the toothbrushes only, and that was a $5 moneymaker. So I have a 6 off of 4, the 5 off of 3 came off, and that $2 came off, and the $1 for the mouthwash came off as well. So that's everything right here. So the 5 off of 3, the 4 for the Colgate, and the 2 off of 12 mouthwash. So that was $2.20. Okay, guys, so this is everything I picked up this week for my first haul. I'll be back at CVS sometime this week between the next 2 days and pick up a few more items that I have some good CRTs for. So again, thank you guys so much for all your love and your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.